Uh, You okay, Mario? Yes, I am. Luigi, I kind of have a headache. Yeah, you sure? Because whenever you have headaches, I always get messed up, and I have scratches on my face. Well, Luigi, this is your own brother. Why can't the hell you help me? Fine, I will help. Where do you need to go? I want you to go to the, what is it called? CVS or whatever it's called to get me headache pills. Are you kidding me? That's like 9 miles away. For your own brother. Fine. Aw, hurry up and bring me some spaghetti. Ugh. How am I gonna go 9 miles all the way to CVS? I can't find anything to do. Huh? What's that over there? Toyota! Oh crap! I could get a card. I could probably get a card, drive to CVS, drive back, and then Mario will see my sexy card. Let's go. So this is what Toyota looks like. Hello, my name is Toad, and this is Tater Tot. One of us will be helping you today with a new car at Toyota. Just shut up, I just need a car right now just to get my brother Mario pills. Did you just say Mario? Yes. The Mario? We love him. Hello, excuse me? Oh, yeah, right. Anyway, Mr. Tater Tot will help you. Follow me. Okay, so what card do you have for me today? Well, I have this pink girly card, a shoe, and a Luigi card. Ready? Yes. Anyway, you should go try. Tell me how it is once you drive some. Okay. Okay, so this looks like a toy car. Yeah. Oh, that did not go well. You know what? No one ever drives it well, but I always do. So, it actually fits my size. So let me just parallel park. I should buy this car. My other car has a shoe. I feel you, man. I feel you. Anyway, try the shoe. Okay. Oh god. Oh my god. This feels like crap. Okay, so how do you even drive a shoe? This is so crazy. Not well. Okay, you should come back. I'll get that later. Okay. Oh. How about this pink card? Yeah, you should try that too. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is so sexy. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, this is so epic. Oh. Ow. So how did you like it? I'm taking it, brother. Woo! Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, so you would like to afford this car? Yes, I said I would. You sure you're about up? Okay, man, take some time. I need you to hurry up. Okay, just give me your wallet. Wait, wallet? I mean money. I don't care. Just take your wallet. See ya, suckers. Oh, crap. Wow, he's cruel. Yeah, let's reach out his wallet. Let's go out for a burger. Yeah. Oh my god, I need to hurry. Turbo boost. Whoa. Oh, I don't know the day. La 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 la. Ah! Oh crap. That hurt my leg. Oh no, the gun. My legs. Somebody help me. Oh, I failed Mario. Wait, how about me? No! My life's an epic fail. I failed Mario. I guess I never got the pills. Wait a minute. What is that? What am I on Pizza doing? Ah! Yeah, oh. Mario and Peach, what are you doing? Oh, just giving Mario pills. Yeah, Luigi, didn't I ever tell you that Peach was going to give me pills? You didn't even have to go to CVS. Wait. Let me get this straight. I had to go to CVS and get you damn pills. Or pills. And she got you pills already? Mm-hmm. Okay, you promise not to get a heart attack on this? What do you mean? Fuck! Well, Luigi does have anger issues. I know. Well, maybe. See you later, Peach. Love you. Fuck!